What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain, and if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started this Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate it. Today's video is about Antero Midstream. Guys, you know I want to bring this stock to you. I made a move today and I want you guys to be the first to know. But without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio on today. Okay guys, as you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $35,732.84. On the day, not much is going on, guys. Pretty flat on the day. On the week, we are up over 2%. On the month, we are up a little over 1%. If I take you guys 3 months out, we are up 14.8%, almost 15%. If I take you guys out 1 year, we are up 10.8%, almost 11%. And the same thing if we go 1 year out. You guys know I started this account in January with $0. I show you each and every video the progression. It's been slow and steady, but nevertheless, I'm happy with what it's doing so far. And I believe this is something that you all can replicate and duplicate as well. Guys, let's hop into my stock of the day and let's take a look at what we're doing. So guys, ticker symbol AM is Antero Midstream, currently sitting at $5.81. The 52-week high on this one is $11.64, and the 52-week low is $1.69. Guys, you know I had to sell Wells Fargo a couple days ago on the news that they were cutting their dividend down to 10 cents. You also should know that I'm a dividend and long-term investor, and so moves like that I don't like, and as a result I have to make a change to my portfolio. Guys, I'm adding this particular stock at, as you can see, 171 shares I bought, and with an average cost of $5.85. Listen guys, I need to always have income generating stocks in my portfolio. You guys know I show you my portfolio at the end of every single month, so you can follow the whole journey from $0, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, all the way up to wherever we're at now, so that you can see how this works, okay? And so this stock will have a position and a purpose like all my other stocks to generate monthly and quarterly income. And so I'm adding this so that we can make sure that we are steady building out our passive income each and every month. I'm still on the lookout, so I need your help with other stocks that I should consider adding to my dividend portfolio, because that Wells Fargo was a big loss for me and I'm still looking for something to solidify my entire dividend portfolio. But for right now, I did take out a small investment into this company and I will hold this through the end of the year. Up next, guys, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is sell-off. If you don't know what a sell-off is, I want you to think of it as somebody taking profits, or you might hear oftentimes when inside investors know that the market is about to go down, they may make a huge move to lock in their profits. Locking in their profits, and the way they do it results in what's called a major sell-off. A sell-off, guys, will oftentimes result in your stock dropping in price. I don't want you guys to panic when things like that happen, nor think that you are investing into bad stocks. Sometimes, man, people are looking to take profits, take money off the table, and that's where a sell-off comes in at. It results in the whole market going down sometimes, or if it's in a particular stock, that particular stock will go down in price. Okay, and so a sell-off is a natural occurrence. Typically, it's in anticipation of, they may know next week Tuesday the market is going to crash, so next week Monday we're going to sell off again. We're going to sell off all of our stocks in this particular company so we can take profits, so that we're out of the stock when Tuesday come and we can look to invest in something else. So guys, again, be strategic, but be listening, and now apply some of this lingo to what you might see happening with your particular stocks in the stock market. Next up, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Rich to Bad, and he says, could you talk about downtrending in the after hours and how it affects or doesn't affect your portfolio? Guys, this is a great question, and Rich to Bad, I thank you for sending this in. Listen, guys, pre-market trading and aftermarket trading is a normal thing in the stock market. Pre-market trading for the vets and the insiders start around 6 up to 9:30. So you may see before the market even opens and before you're able to make any moves, your stock might be moving it. And sometimes it moves to the price you really wanted at. However, just like today, you guys know I'm trying to buy Neo at 1240 or below. Well, it was below that point or around that point pre-market. However, at the time 9:30 hit, it shot back up to 1285, and you already know that I don't want that stock at that price. Those type of moves are the people that's on the inside making moves that we are unable to participate in. However, at 9:30, it's fair game. The retail investors, the everyday investors like you and me, that's when we can get in the game and do what we do. After hours, which is at 4:01, the stock market opens at 9:30 and closes at 4, but at 4:01 it's considered after hours in the stock market, okay? And again, you might see your stocks go up and down as well. Those of you that have access to extended trading, you can still buy stocks from 4 to 6, but that is considered after hours trading, okay? But even at 6:01, you may still see the stock market move. You may see it moving at 11 o'clock at night because the inside traders are getting the positions they want. They are either making the stock price go up or down because they're selling and or buying. And so when you wake up the next day, your stock price may be higher or lower. That's nothing for you to panic about. That's just something for you to have in mind, to be strategic about once the market opens. None of these pre-market or aftermarket moves affects your personal portfolio. So your buying power won't be changed. Your overall total in your portfolio won't be changed. It's just something that you need to be mindful of and that you need to know that takes place. There's nothing illegal going on. It's just that's the way the game go, okay? So everything that you're invested in will be okay. You just need to know the next morning your stock may be up or down, and depending on your strategy, that could be good or bad. I just wanted to put that on you guys today. Listen, man, if you have questions, leave them in my comments below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every week, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.